Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will make fantastic chicken schnitzel with potato salad, which is well known in my part of the world as a kartoffel salad. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. I start with the chicken breast. The bird needs massage, but first safety. The bird is ready. Two eggs goes to the bowl. Time to use my favorite food processor. Salt. Freshly ground pepper, heat up the frying pan, classic oil goes on. Time to make perfect panko. Flour first. Next step, eggs. Breadcrumbs. And the chicken is landing on the hot frying pan. Schnitzel is ready, set aside to a towel paper. This salad is super easy. Finely chopped tarragon goes to the bowl with potatoes. Mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and now stir it well. Don't be shy with lemon juice. Finally, I can serve this dish. I can't wait any longer. What a beautiful day! Another successful day in my office. Amigos, extremely delicious chicken schnitzel with kartoffel salad just landed on the table. Bon appetit!